Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Steam on your PC and sign in with your account to begin. Go to Steam settings and then Controller to access configuration options. Enable Switch Pro configuration support and generic gamepad configuration support with the toggles. Connect your Switch Pro using a USB-C cable first for a stable setup. Alternatively, put the controller in Bluetooth pairing mode to connect wirelessly. Update controller firmware on the Switch or PC if available and restart Steam to apply changes. For reliable detection, plug the Switch Pro into your PC with a USB-C cable. To pair wirelessly, hold the sync button until the LEDs flash and pair via Windows Bluetooth. Open Steam settings and look under Controller, then Controller settings to confirm the device is detected. If the controller shows as Switch Pro, proceed to Big Picture mode for clearer mapping. Enabling Big Picture mode simplifies controller mapping and profile saving for each game you will play. Enter Big Picture mode and select a game to configure controller settings per title. Choose controller configuration to map buttons, triggers, and directional inputs to your preference. Use the Calibrate option to set stick dead zones and trigger thresholds precisely for each controller. Test all inputs using the on-screen input tester before saving any changes to ensure everything responds correctly. Save a custom profile for the game and enable Steam Cloud Sync to back up your configuration.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.